Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I myself am doing very well. And how could I not when I have such wonderful students as you? I'm really proud of you because I saw your homework and everybody did great. And that makes me really proud of everyone. So your homework was based on the lesson that we had using A and N in a sentence correctly. We use that for groceries. Does anybody remember what we did last time? Okay, very well, very well. So when do we use A and when do we use AN? N. Jonathan, yes? You can tell me. Great answer, before a consonant sound. That's where we use an A. How about N? Who can tell me? All right, Susie. Can you give me an example? A. Before a vowel. Excellent. An egg. Very well. So I see that everybody remembered last time's course. So today's lesson is gonna be about using some and any. What we will do is that we will use some and any to create a shopping list, okay, to go grocery shopping, okay? Sounds easy enough. Since last time we saw groceries, we will still be using the same theme in order for you to be familiar with the words, okay? So I will share my screen. Can everybody see? Great. Okay, so like I said, today's objective will be to try to use some and any in correct sentences in real life situations. Okay? Great. So before we begin, we have to do a warm-up. Do you remember the warm-up? Exactly. When an athlete before he does something, he needs to warm up his body. Same with us. We need to warm up our brains in order to better perform, to better do at school, to have better results. Okay? So we will have 2 minutes only. Okay? So I want to, let's say, you, Jonathan, again, yes, again, because I like your style. I want you to tell me some words that we used yesterday. Yes, about groceries, of course. Rice, very well. Cheese, and a third one. Okay, that's enough, Jonathan, you are great. How about you, Nathan? Cheese, rice, give me another one. Bananas, great. Okay, so we have to know the rules first, okay? Always remember, there are always rules when it comes to a language for grammar and for other stuff too. For example, we have to know when we use some, when we use any, okay? Some is used when we talk about a positive statement. For example, there is some rice in the bowl. It is a positive statement because I am affirming that I see the rice. I know that there is something. And when do we use any? If some is used in a positive sentence, then any, excellent, in a negative sentence. That's great. So we use any in a negative sentence. Can someone give me an example? I will start. There isn't any cheese in the fridge. There isn't any cheese in the fridge? Okay? Who can give me an example? John? Great. Great. There isn't any rice on the bowl. Great use of the first sentence. But what if I told you that you can use any in another way? For example, to ask a question. Is there any rice in the bowl? Are there any bananas in the fridge, for example? So when do we use some in a positive sentence? When do we use any to ask a question or in a negative sentence? Okay? Great. So here I will show you some examples that you have been given. There is some rice, as you can see. There aren't any bananas. And the question form for any. Is there any cheese? I wonder, is there any cheese? Okay? You got it? Great. I know you can do it. You are my pride and joy after all. Okay. So I see that some of you have already grasped. Now I want to know if all of you have grasped the concept. If everyone understands. Grasp something, to take it and to make it yours. Okay? So we will play a game. Okay, you will be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 teams of 2. Okay, I want you to race. Okay, not race on the board, race for answers. Okay, so I will display on my screen. Okay, this is the example. There is blank milk. And the second sentence, are there blank apples? Okay? Great. So the first one, the first team to give me the correct answer gets a point. If someone gets a point, they won't have to do their homework. Good enough? Okay. I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, start. Great. So, team 1. Okay, that's good. That's good. But you could use this way. Okay, good. Team 2. Very well done. Team 3. Great, you don't need my help. Okay, great. So, let me see. Team 1, 1 point. Team 2, already given me the answer. Okay, 1 point. Team 3, great effort. Next time, I'm sure you will do great. Okay. So, now I see that most of you are using some and any in an appropriate way. Okay. So, I want you to make sentences. Okay? I will check at the end of the class. So I want you to use some and any to make 3 sentences. 1 positive, 1 negative, and 1 has to be a question. Okay? You can do it. And team 3, since unfortunately you did not give the answer on time, you will have to do extra homework, which means I want 2 positive statements with some, 2 negative statements with any, and 1 question using any. Okay? So that will be all for today's class. I am really proud of you, everyone. You have done great for today, and I will see you in the next lesson. And once again, you have done great today, so now you know how to use some and any to form a shopping list. Okay, so that will be your assignment for everyone, and I will check it in the next class. Okay, Bye bye.